Good morning, my dear students. Okay, I hope that all are good. Okay, before class we have discussed about the how to do the problems, integration problems in substitution method. Okay, I explained lot of means formulas and the method. Today we will do some problems on substitution method. Yesterday we learned the formulas. Integral of f dash of x by f of x. The derivative of the denominator occurs in the numerator, that equal answer is log mod f of x plus c. Integral f dash of x by root f of x dx is equal to root f of x plus c. F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx, f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral of tan x dx is equal to minus log mod cos x plus c or log mod secant x plus c. Integral of cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. My dear students, I hope that you read all the formulas. Okay, now we are going to some problems on NCERT book. Okay, now first question is going on. What is the first question? First question is I is equal to integral of 2x by 1 plus x squared dx. First observe that by using any three formulas, this one or this one or this one, it is possible or not. All are 100%, the derivative, one function derivative occurs. Here f of x derivative, here f of x derivative, here f of x derivative. Function, what is the function you will find out? After that derivative you exist or not, find out. Here for suppose the numerator 2x derivative 2, no possible at all, but denominator function 1 plus x square, one derivative 0, okay, x square derivative 2x, yes, this derivative occurs in this one by using this formula. Yes or no? That is equal to answer simply log mod f of x means 1 plus x square with base c plus c. We will write the formula since why it is right. Write the formula in the brackets. Okay, my dear students. Now, second question, we will go to the second question. Integral of log x whole square by x dx. This is second question. I is equal. I means integration. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Now, just what I am doing means log x whole square into 1 by x is there, right in this way. Any one formula, may be chance, otherwise we will substitute. Otherwise, general method we will do, substitution we will take. Substitution also, which function we will take, the derivative occurs in that function or not. Here for suppose log x is there, what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. Yes, log x derivative. Here f of x is log x, f of x whole power n. F of x whole power n into f dash of x, derivative occurs, means the formula f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n value 2, 2 plus 1 means 3. What happened? Answer log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, my students, I hope that you understood or not? Yeah. Next, third problem, you are going to the third problem. I is equal to integral of 1 by x plus x log x. Here third problem, dx. Now, here in this one, f of x, f dash of x, we do not know first. X is there, x derivative is 1, x log x, you do not know. In this one, x plus x log x. Now, taken the common x plus log x. Integral of 1 by x taken common, 1 plus log x dx. 1 plus log x. Now, taken common x into 1 plus log x. Okay, my dear students. Now, here two functions are there. One is the 1 plus log x, other one is the x. Both are in denominator. 100% one function derivative occurs in that one. Exists in that one, in that function. Here x derivative is 1. No use. But 1 plus log x is there. For suppose we will take 1 plus log x. What about 1 plus, let for suppose 1 plus log x is equal to t. What happened? Observe that. 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x. X differential is dx is equal to dt. Clearly observe that. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Here observe that 1 by x, here dx. 1 by x dx must ensure dt. I is equal to integral. This is dt by this total value. 1 by x dx means dt by 1 plus log x. What about 1 plus log x is t? Already I explained. Whenever you substitute the another variable, the total variable of the integration, function, integrand and differential must be total changes into the variable t. Variable t means, for suppose you will take the t, total differential of x means dx, function, integrand, variable, all changes into t. Yeah. dt means differential of t, 1 by t is the function, that is integrand, t is the variable of the integration. Okay, my dear students. Now you know the formula. Integral of 1 by t means log mod t plus c with base c. Log mod t value you know very well. What is the t value? T value is equal to 1 plus log x plus c with base c. In this way we will complete the problems. Next we are going to the next problem. Sin x into fourth one. I is equal to sin x into sin of cos x dx, my dear students. Now which one is the substitution is going on? For suppose you will take sin x is equal to t, cos x dx. In this one nothing the cos x, sin of cos x is there. For suppose cos x is equal to t, sin of cos x not cos, just cos x is equal to what happened? Minus sin x dx is equal to, here sin x is there, sin x dx is equal to something. That's why we will think. Okay. Now here cos x is equal to substitution. Cos x derivative, I am not integration. Cos x derivative minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now I have to substitute. Therefore I is equal to integral of sin x dx. Here sin x is there, here dx is there. Sin x dx is equal to how much? Minus dt. This is sin of cos x. Cos x means t. That is sin t, dx means minus dt. Now write the integral minus integral of sin t dt. What is the integral of sin t? Integral of sin t means minus cos t. Already minus is there. That is cos t plus c. That is called cos of t value. What is the t value? T value is cos x. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will go into the next problem. Now, next problem. What is the next problem, my dear students? What is that one? Fifth one. I is equal to integral of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b into dx. Now, any formula is applicable. Sin derivative is cos or cos derivative minus sin. This is suppose f of x. F of x whole power, and this formula will apply or not. Otherwise, we will take sin of ax plus b. Anyone you will take ax plus b is equal to t. Whenever substitution. Sin x derivative cos of ax plus b. Again ax plus b derivative is a into the x differential dx is equal to dt. Okay, my dear students. Or dt by dx always. Actually dt by, with respect to x means dt by dx, after that this side. Now here cos of ax plus b only, a is there extra that side, cos of ax plus b into dx is equal to dt by a. Now substitute cos of ax plus b dx, what about that is dt by a, that equal integral of what about this one t cos of ax plus b dx, that is dt by a. Here 1 by a is the constant, integral of t dt 1 by a into integral of t dt means t square by 2 plus c, that is t square. T square means sin of ax plus b whole square, means sin square of ax plus b by 2a plus c, my dear students. In this way we will complete the problems. Now we are going to the next problem. Next problem is x square by I is equal to x square by 2 plus 3x cube, 2 plus 3x cube, 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx. Now we want the substitution. Which one you will take the substitution? Observe that here x square derivative is 2x, no need substitution. Here for suppose this value total, for suppose what about t, 2 derivative 0, x cube derivative 3x square means 9x square. Here 9x square we will find out. From x square easily find out. Okay, my dear students. That's why compulsory we will take this one. 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x. 2 derivative 0, x cube derivative 3x square, 3 3s are 9x square, dx is equal to dt. From this one x square dx is equal to dt by 9. X square dx is equal to dt by 9. Substitute. Here x square dx means how much? dt by 9. Integral of this is x square dx means dt by 9 by 2 plus 3x cube is t cube. Here 1 by 9 is constant. Integral of dt by t cube. What is the formula? Integral of 1 by x power n. What is the formula of integral of 1 by x power n? That equal to minus 1 by n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus c. Okay, my dear students, that equal 1 by 9 into minus 1 by n minus 1 means 2t square plus c, that equal to minus 1 by 18, 9 to the 18 into t square means this one, 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c. In this way we will complete the problems. Next, okay my dear students, going to 7th problem. Integral of 1 by x into log x whole power m. What happened? Integral of 1 by x into log x whole power. For suppose 1 by x is t minus 1 by x square, nothing is there. For suppose log x is equal to t, yeah, log x is derivative 1 by x. Observe that how many functions are there? Here 2 functions are there. Compulsory in that one of the function derivative compulsory exists in that function only. Here one function is 1 by x, for suppose. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square exists or not? Nothing. Again log x is there. Log x derivative 1 by x exists. Okay my dear students, that's why. Now let log x is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x, 1 by x, x differential dx, t differential is dt. Now here 1 by x dx is the nothing but the dt, simply dt by what happened this one, t power m. Integral of 1 by t power n formula you know very well, t power n minus 1 by m minus 1 into x power m minus 1 is t power m minus 1, that equal minus 1 by, for suppose minus cancel means this is right as 1 minus m, taken common minus cancel, that is 1 minus m into what about t? T means log x power m minus 1, simple, plus c. In this way we will complete the problems my dear students. Next we are going to the next problem, x by 9 minus 4x square. X by 9 minus 4x square dx. Now observe that x derivative is 0, denominator x square is there, x square derivative 2x, okay. But directly apply the formula, 9 derivative how much? 9 derivative 100% 0, minus 4x square derivative how much? Minus 8x, but minus 8 missing. Now I will write this here, minus 1 by 8 into minus 8x by 9 minus 4x square dx. It is possible or not? This 8 cancel, minus into minus plus. Now observe that this derivative is this one, denominator function derivative this one, f dash of x by f of x, by using this formula, that equal log mod f of x, minus 1 by 8 into log mod f of x means 9 minus 4x square plus c my dear students. Now we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem means? Integral e power 2x plus 3 dx. Already yesterday I explained. First, what is the standard function? E power x. What is the, instead of x is 2x plus 3 is there. Now the derivative of 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 derivative 2. You write in the denominator. Why I am writing the by 2? You know that. Please see the before video. Okay, next we are going to next problem. What is the next problem is going on? X by integral of x by e power x square dx. Here x by e power x square, two functions are there. One is x, other one is e power x square. For suppose what I am taking, here x is there, now here x square is there. For suppose x square equal to t happened, what happened? X square equal to t means let 2x dx is equal to 100% dt. Now x dx is equal to 100% dt by 2 my dear friends. This is x dx means dt by 2 by e power t, that is equal to x dx means dt by 2 by e power t. Okay, now that is equal to continuation. What happened that one? That is I is equal to 1 by 2 is the constant 100%. E power t, 1 by e power t means e power minus t into dt. What is the integral of e power minus t? Generally e power x. What is the integral of e power x? E power x. Again minus t derivative is minus 1 plus c, that equal minus 1 by 2 e power minus t. T is x square plus c. In this way we will complete the problems. Next one, I is equal to e power tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square dx my dear students. I think you know this one. What is this one? Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now what is the substitution? Let tan inverse of x is equal to differentiating with respect to differentiating with respect to x, 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse of x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square dx dt. Now substitute this one, 1 by 1 plus x square dx means dt, e power this value t dt, e power t dt. Integral of e power t means e power t plus c, that equal to e power t, t value is tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Each and every one are very important problems, my dear students. Please listen and do the problems. What is this one? Integral of e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1. This one, e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1. How to do? What is the substitution is going on? For suppose e power 2x plus 1 is equal to t, that is equal to e power 2x derivative minus 1 is extra is there. Okay. Simply observe that I will take in the common in numerator e power x, I will take in common. Here this is e power 2x means e power x into e power x, that is equal to e power x minus 1 by e power x. Denominator also simply I will take in e power x taken common, e power x plus 1 by e power x dx. You cannot read into dx, okay, just dx. E power x cancel. E power x minus 1 by e power x means e power minus x by e power x plus 1 by e power x means e power minus x dx. Now compulsory observe that e power x derivative e power x, e power minus x derivative minus e power minus x. This derivative occurs here, f dash of x by f of x. What is the formula? F dash of x by f of x means 100% log mod f of x, that equal log mod f of x means e power x plus e power minus x plus. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to the next one. Already I explained tan square x, tan x have the formula, tan x have the formula, but tan square x have no formula. Tan square x we change. What is the formula of tan square x? That equal secant square x minus 1. That's why that equal I is equal to integral of tan square x means secant square of 2x minus 3 minus 1 dx. Tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 3 means tan square of 2x minus 3 equals secant square of 2x minus 3 minus 1. Integral of secant square x. Integral of secant square x means tan x by 2. Why by 2? 2x minus 3 derivative 2 minus integral of 1 dx means x plus c. In this we will complete the problems. Next we are going to next problem. Here I is equal to, here sin inverse of x, write down it here in this way. Split in this one, sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square, sin inverse x into 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now for suppose this is f of x, this is f dash of x, sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square, f of x into f dash of x, f of x whole power n into f dash of x, f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here power means 100% 1, 1 plus 1 2. This is answer is sin inverse of x whole square by 2 plus c. Understood or not? N plus 1. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. But suppose you are going to next problem. Integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. How to do this one? Now integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by denominator will take in the common 2, that is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Here 2 constant 100%, you write 1 by 2, remaining observe that. What is the remaining is going on? 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now observe that. What is the derivative of 3 cos x? Cos x derivative minus 3 sin x, 2 sin x derivative 2 cos x, f dash of x by f of x. F dash of x by f of x means log mod f of x, that equal to 1 by 2 into log mod f of x means 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c, my dear students. Next we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem. Integral of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square, my dear students. Okay. Now here I is equal to, here clearly observe that 1 by cos square means 100% secant square x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay, my dear students. Now substitution method is going on 100%. Numerator secant square x no use, but tan x derivative secant square x. Now 1 minus tan x is equal to t. 1 derivative 0 minus tan x derivative secant square x into differential is dx is equal to dt. Now here minus secant square x dx is equal to dt. Here want secant square x dx only. Now secant square x dx is equal to how much? Minus dt. Substitute that equal to integral of minus dt by t square. Okay, minus integral of 1 by t square dt. What is the integral of 1 by t square? Integral of 1 by t square means minus 1 by t. Already minus is there, means plus 1 by t plus c. This is called 1 by t means 1 minus tan x plus c. This is enough, my dear students. Next, here cos root x by root x dx. Now root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Yes, root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. But here only we want 1 by root x dx only. 2 no use that side. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Okay, my dear students. Now I is equal to this one. I is equal to, okay, cos of t, cos t, 1 by root x dx, that equal to 2 dt. 2 is constant, okay, cos t dt. Integral of cos t, not minus sin t, okay, integral of cos t means just sin t. 2 sin t plus c, that equal to 2 sin t means root x plus c. Okay, my dear students. Next, observe that this one I is equal to cos x by root of 1 plus sin x. Denominator root is there. Observe that the derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, sin x derivative cos x. Sin x derivative cos x means this is f of x, this is f dash of x. F dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x formula 2 root f of x. That equal to 2 root f of x means 1 plus sin x plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem. That is integral of sin, 30th question, integral of sin x by 1 plus cos x. What happened? That is answer of this one. Okay, my dear students. I is equal to integral of sin x by 1 plus cos x. Without formula, observe that f dash of x by f of x may be possible or not. 1 derivative 0, cos x derivative minus sin x, minus missing, minus of minus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, my dear students, that equal to minus f dash of x by f of x, that is log mod 1 plus cos x plus c. It's enough. Okay, next second question. This is also 1 derivative 0, cos x derivative minus sin x. Any formula I have, 1 minute. F of x by f of x whole power n. Okay, means 100% what is going on. For suppose we will find one formula, that is f dash of x by f of x whole power n. Okay, this is very important. This formula you cannot find. Okay, f dash of x by root f of x you will find, but this formula you cannot find. Okay, now for suppose f of x is equal to, what happened? Number of times we will find out. Okay, that's why before we saw number of problems in this way, f dash of x by f of x whole power n type. Okay, my dear students, that equal f of x is equal to t. Now f dash of x dx is equal to dt. Now substitute f dash of x dx means dt. dt by f of x means t power n. dt by t power n. What is the formula? Integral of 1 by t power n minus 1 by n minus 1 into t power n minus 1 minus 1 by, for suppose we neglect the minus means this is 1 minus n. No problem at all. Write down minus 1 by n minus 1, write down n minus 1 into t means f of x whole power n minus 1 plus. Okay, you remember this formula. Integral of f dash of x by f of x whole power n dx is equal to minus 1 by n minus 1 into f of x whole power n minus 1 plus c. 100% you remember that formula. Okay, my dear students. Easily we complete the problems. Okay. Now, what the question is going on here? 31st question. I is equal integral of sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. This is 100% f of x. One derivative 0. Okay. Cos x derivative minus a. Okay. Minus is missing. Minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square, my dear students. What is the formula? F dash of x by f of x whole power n. F dash of x by f of x whole power n formula minus 1 by n minus 1 into, that equal, already minus is there. Already minus is there. Minus f dash of x by f of x whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1. N minus 1, n value 2. 2 minus 1 means 1. No need. F of x. F of x means 1 plus cos x whole power 2 minus 1. Okay, minus into minus plus 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c. In this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay, next we are going to very important question. This is 33 question. I is equal to integral of root tan x by sin x into cos x. Maximum second exercise totally depends on the formula based. Apply the formula. Okay, you catch that technique, how to apply the formula. You catch that one. Okay. Now here tan x means, first of all, tan x is there means secant square. Tan x derivative secant square x. Now what I am doing? The numerator denominator multiplying and dividing with secant square x. So what happened? Integral of secant square x into root tan x by denominator also multiplied with secant square x. Secant square x into sin x into cos x dx. Understood or not? The numerator denominator multiplied with secant square x. No problem at all. Okay. Now we are going to secant square x into root tan x by denominator secant square means 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square means 1 cos cancel. Sin by cos means tan x dx. Okay, my dear students, understood or not? Root tan x by this tan x right as root tan x into root tan x. 1 root tan x cancel. Secant square x by root tan x dx. What is the formula? This derivative occurs here. Tan x derivative secant square x. F dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x formula 2 root f of x. That equal 2 root tan x plus c. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Next we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Integral 1 plus log x whole square by x. Okay. Now question number 34. 34 or 35, 30, whatever maybe, no problem. Anyone missing we will do. Okay. 1 plus log x whole square by x is there, that's why you write 1 by x. Now observe that this derivative, this one or not. One derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x. Yes, this derivative, this one. Means f of x whole power n into f dash of x. F of x whole power n into f dash x formula. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Means 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Means that equal answer is 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Just since y, we write the formula. Next question, we are going to 36. Integral of x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now by into is there in between, by x means you write x here. Okay. Now what happened? X plus 1 by x means, x by x means 1 plus 1 by x into x plus log x whole square. Observe that. First suppose this is the total function f of x whole power n. X, the derivative of this one is this one or not? X derivative is 1. Yes. X derivative is this one. Yes. Log x derivative 100% 1 by x. Means this is f of x, this is f dash of x. F of x whole power n into f dash of x. What is the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 means 3. That is equal x plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, my dear students. Next we are going to next question, that is 37. I is equal integral of x cube into sine of tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8 dx. X cube sine of tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8. Here x power 8 means x power 4 whole square. What is the derivative of tan inverse of x? You know very well. Let tan inverse of x power 4 is equal to t. Substitution. What is the derivative of tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square, x power 4 whole square. tan inverse of, instead of x, x power 4 is there. What is the derivative of x power 4 means? 4x cube x differential dx is equal dt. Okay, my dear students. That equal here x cube dx. 4 is extra that side. X cube dx by 1 plus x power 8. 4 into is there, that is equal dt by 4. Understand or not? X cube dx. Here observe that. X cube dx by 1 plus x power 8. That equal answer is dt by 4. Okay. I is equal to dt by 4 into, what is about this? Sine of, this value is t, sine t. Now 1 by 4 into integral of sine t dt. Integral of sine t dt means 1 by 4 minus cos t plus c. T value how much? Tan inverse of x power 4. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 cos of tan inverse of x power 4 plus c, my dear. In this way, we will do the problems. We are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, you see these two problems, objective type questions. Please observe which one is the right answer. The first 38 question, you observe that integral of 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x into log 10 base bc by x power 10 plus 10 power x. Maybe f dash of x by f of x formula, observe that. What is the derivative of x power 10? X power n formula, n into x power n minus 1, 10 into x power n. Yes, this one derivative. A power x derivative. What is the derivative of a power x? A power x into log a base c. A power x, 10x log a base c. Yes, this derivative occurs here. F dash of x by f of x. What is the formula? Log of. No. This one is enough. Already I explained this one. Yesterday class means before video explain integral of 1 by sin square x cos square x. Tan x minus cot x. How? Here 1 is there, sin square x plus cos square x you write. Yeah. Integral of 1 by 1 means you write the sin square x plus cos square x by denominator is sin square x cos square x. Now separation sin square cancel, 1 by cos square means secant square x plus cos square cancel, 1 by sin square means cosecant square x. Integral of secant square x means tan x, integral of cosecant x square x means cot x. Now remember this one. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. You observe that very easy topic.